Hi guys, how are you all doing? Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello, my auntie. Tina. Say hello.
My own clothes so I can use the money to start off my own business. Maybe no. If I use it and start my own business.
Mama, I don't get all the rest why you see me, I don't gallant. I don't go business.
Nkechi, please, you need to rest. You need more rest, please.
I don't know what they talk. I don't go my business. So.
Nkechi, you give me a chemical.
Mama, I just
Oh,
when Charity is to bed, I have to talk to her, talk sense into her, so that she will be moved. Oh yeah, what you are, what you are, big, what are you? What you are, bad enough. You should stop lazing around.
no, Charity is not listening.
She's a lazy girl.
She's not lazy.
She is. You always support evil. She's not lazy.
Hi baby. Hi baby, what are you doing? Don't cry. Don't cry, don't cry. Look at me. Look at me. Are you tired? Yes. Look at mommy. Hi baby. Sweetheart. Good job. Look at me. No, look at me. Look at the camera. Are you sleepy? My baby is sleepy. Okay, don't worry. I'll attend to you.
Some brother, you will never see me on that land till you do the right thing.
Hi baby. Look at me. My love. My love.
Never see me there. Ogu, whatever you do on that land, you are on your own. You are
Yes.
included.
Don't tell me.
He sends for me.
And mine, you came back late last night, so I was not able to tell you what happened here yesterday.
Mama, if it's about what happened here yesterday, forget about it. My wife has told me everything and how it all started. You get why?
Your wife has told you everything. What did she tell you?
Mama, she has told me everything you and Ogbonna said to her. Is it because I don't want to say anything? Is it because I decided to keep quiet?
Okay, Mike, tell Mama what she told you now. Tell her.
Oh God. It's like you don't have respect in this house anymore. I do mine. So we are now mates now. Mike, no, we are having a board meeting now.
Mike, forget about that.
Hi baby.
You're saying. Call a spade. A spade.
No,
Who
now
is
we are
watching?
mates now. You're sitting me down and explaining one. Can you imagine this boy?
I'm not
Are
afraid.
you challenging me in this
I'm not
house?
afraid. What will you do? What will you do?
What will I do? When I what will